Tonight we had Big Brothers Big Sisters come out to learn about the drone program, ask some incredible questions, had some really great engagement, wonderful conversations about the careers in drones.
My name is Alyssa Gallinger, and I'm the Activities and Outreach Coordinator at Big Brothers Big Sisters. And Big Brothers Big Sisters is a mentorship program. We pair caring adult mentors with children with a demonstrated need. We were able to bring about 11 matches in to learn about Titan Security and their drone program and just dive deep into what that looks like. It was really interesting because a lot of matches had a lot of questions. And it kind of turned into questions about the career field, questions about salary. It was really cool to see littles perk up and get excited about an industry that they hadn't maybe got to explore before.
We had some really informed and knowledgeable questions. It wasn't just, oh wow, that's cool. It was, how do I do this as a career? And how much money can I make doing this? And what kind of equipment do you use? It was much more in depth than I thought it was going to be.
Something I really found interesting is just how well those cameras actually pick up what is going on, and just the ability that they have a single control center and are able to operate and see mini drones across the country whenever something pops up.
We've learned about drones and how we can use them for security. I liked watching the drone go out and learning about what kind of weather it can be in.
We use Titan at Big Brothers Big Sisters, and so actually seeing that side of it was completely new to me, but it was cool just how reactive this team and this unit, and actually watching people react live and do patrols and seeing just how efficient Titan works and how well they do for their clients.
I enjoy events like this because it offers me a chance to see a lot of different things and opportunities. Opens up other doors that I already have a kind of a point of contact, someone I can talk to and explore.
I've been to this space, I've seen what they're doing, and they care about their clients. I think that that's the biggest thing. And not only that, like this proved that they care about the community and our kids and spreading education regarding this industry as well, which I think is another huge factor into supporting any industry or any organization.
This was just a great opportunity for Titan to stay connected with the community and give back by providing some insight and knowledge into what we do and the possibilities that are out there for all people.